The children of today are gearing up to become adult citizens of tomorrow. The growth is parallel to the future of our country, reflected through quality of the present education system. Satish Chandra Memorial School of Chagda is one of the best CBSE affiliated institutions in Nadia in terms of its commitment to provide standard and excellent education to young generation. The school stimulates curiosity in young impressionable minds and equip them with tools to be better human beings. It gives a chance for students to acquire knowledge on various fields of education through joyful learning. Satish Chandra Memorial School is committed towards providing standard and excellent education to young generation, focusing on the all-round development of the children. We take pride in having highly qualified and experienced teachers amongst us. Our focus is entirely on child-centric education, where children are provided ample space to share their opinions on any given topic in the class. The school is having a complete English-speaking atmosphere where students are entertained to speak proper English within the school campus. Besides academics, the students of Satish Chandra Memorial School enthusiastically participates and competes in various sports events. Events like Khelo India and Fit India are successfully conducted within the school campus. Moreover, the students are provided with constant training to show their skills and talents and become self-dependent. Now, they are actively involved in plantation programs, making apps, websites, and various other activities. The school is having airy spacious classrooms equipped with digital smart boards and CCTV cameras. Besides, the school has well-equipped physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab, computer lab, mathematics and geography lab, with most advanced equipments, which gives digital age to scientific learning to students of middle and high school. The students take pleasure in reading in our advanced school library, which is facilitated with a handsome collection of books and magazines. The school is also having a large playground where the students actively involve themselves in various kinds of sports. The students get the opportunity to learn joyfully amidst a greenery environment.
Good morning all. Satish Chandra Memorial School is one of the most reputed CBSE affiliated schools. It has set up its name and fame not only in our district, but all over India. Satish Chandra Memorial School believe child-centric education, and therefore we have developed such a unique and innovative methodology. Therefore students are developed in all-round manner. We have given more focus on morning assembly, experiential and joyful learning, long-lasting effective learning, root learning to competency-based education, physical activities. Not only that, the music, art and craft, art integrated project, sport integrated project, in such a all various activities students are involved. Therefore, our students are achieve tremendous prestige from different all India level competitions such as JEE Main, NEET, Heritage Quiz, Philately competition, Ganga Quiz. Every year our students has been received a lot of prestige and award. Not only that, in academic sector, in board examination 10th and 12th, a good number of students always getting 90 to 98% marks. So therefore, students have evolved their capacities and capabilities, and they have set up their talent in their respective field. Not only that, our students and teachers, faculty, always committed to the society, and therefore all the times when the natural calamities arise, all the faculty members and students, parents, everybody involved to serve the common people and poor people. We are committed to provide quality education, to promote intellectual, social and cultural diversity among the learners. Thank you all. Have a nice day.